Following my last video on Cézanne, you guys messaged me asking to share what I finally decided to keep and to return. So today is a kind of follow-up video on that, but also I'm happy to share a couple of new finds that caught my eye while I was browsing Cézanne website. Right, so I decided to keep this amazing white t-shirt that I actually worn multiple times during my holidays. I will leave you guys a link to the vlog from the Maldives in case you want to check that. And it's absolutely amazing. I love pairing it with linen trousers like that. It's a really white color, it's not ivory. Compared to these linen pants, you can see the difference in color. It's such a wonderful elevated version of a basic white t-shirt. Also like how you can play with the neckline, make it more deeper if you need, or completely close it. And depending on what kind of bottoms you wear, you can actually unbutton it as well. So yes, I think it just offers a lot of styling options that I really like about this piece. Many of you suggested keeping the silk blouses I was trying during my last video, but unfortunately it cost me a lot of money to get them altered the way I wanted. And yeah, to my regret, I had to return these silk shirts. But when I actually returned them, Cézanne archive sales went online and I managed to spot the item that I've had on my wishlist for the last 2 years, I think. And you can't believe how happy I was. I'm talking about this amazing silk shirt. And you know, I learned from my mistake and I went for the size 36, not 38. And this size is perfect. By the way, let me try it on. As you can see, it's silk, so it's a little bit transparent, but if you wear it with nude underwear, that will work. What I really like is this wonderful kind of embroidery on the collar, and it instantly elevates this plain white shirt and makes this piece even more beautiful, I think. What I also understood is that if you have a large bust, it's definitely so much better to choose the items that have bust darts like this one. In that case, the item won't look too boxy and too overwhelming on you, even if you are petite, but with large bust. And as you can see, I can move my arms freely and there is no holes. I feel very comfortable. There is enough space and it's not too overwhelming, it's not oversized. So yeah, to cut a long story short, I was really happy that I returned the items that did not fit well anyway. And I managed to get one for a much better price, and I honestly don't mind that it's from previous collection. And of course, you can style it multiple ways. Since I like wearing this white blazer, I decided instantly to pair them together to see how it looks. And I really love it. I think it's such a classy workwear outfit. And you can also dress it down by pairing with a cardigan, for example. And speaking about cardigan, I'm excited to share with you another items that I managed to find during archive sales. This is the prettiest cardigan I've ever seen. I actually went a size down for this one because that was the only size available and I really like the color and the fit is beautiful. And if you guys have purchased any knitwear from Cézanne before, let me know your experience with the sizing. I'm curious to know. So I really liked this cherry color. I have not seen anything similar before, and I also like, you know, this delicate knitwear pattern. This wonderful item is made of organic cotton, which is perfect for me because I live in the country where it's summer all year round and any other fiber doesn't work for me really. And I also try to wear it on its own, and the cardigan is very soft. It feels so good against your skin. Like I said, it's organic cotton and I definitely appreciate the quality. And when I feel that there is like a lot of color and I want to keep it very minimal, I will simply throw the cardigan over my shoulders. It still adds some interest, it's not too overwhelming. Okay guys, you have already spotted another item. I'm sure you're not surprised because I've been talking about this Mina t-shirt for a while now. You know, I have the same one in ivory and I've worn it so much that I really thought I need to buy another one. But my sister persuaded me that I need to invest in a different color. And so I decided to experiment. Let me show you. I honestly think the color is very beautiful, and I fell in love with Mina t-shirt last year, and you know what? I'm really happy about this color as well. So it's knitted linen, which is very nice to the skin as well. It's not itchy at all. It has a reversible neckline. What I really liked about this, it's a little bit long for my torso, but since the fabric is very soft, you can tuck it in. There is no issue on that. So it's a very nice, versatile item that I'm so happy I have in my wardrobe now. And we have one more item. So I found this amazing Batiste shirt during Sézane archive sales. So most probably it's not available online anymore, but I will try to link some similar options. I really liked the pattern, which is abstract pattern, but also the colors. They are so beautiful. I knew I have already a lot of items in my wardrobe I will be able to pair it with, and I actually wore it non-stop during my holidays. So obviously the key here is to find your color palette, so make sure it works for you. As you can see, the fabric is super lightweight. It's amazing for summer. It's a little bit transparent, but not too much. Again, if you wear some neutral nude color underwear, that will be perfect. So I would be curious to know, guys, about your favorite item from my small collection. Let me know in the comments. And also, if you got the chance to buy anything from Sézane archives, let me know. I would be curious to know that too. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!